students, welcome to class. I am Miss Katie, that vegan teacher. Today we're going to be going to your comments. Yup, we're going to be looking at them, going to be reading them, I'm going to be responding to them, and some of you are getting banned. Just saying. It's the truth. You ready? Let's go. Alright, so today we're going to be looking at the comment section in this video. So one of the first comments I see is this person who writes, I'm going to McDonald's. Does anyone want to come? So that's a pretty cruel thing to do, to talk about wanting to go where animals are being killed. So what I'm going to do is there's a little button here on the side. I'm going to press that right there. And we can go down here and see that there's a button that says hide from channel. So I'm going to get rid of this person. I mean, they obviously don't want to help. They're obviously here to cause a commotion and to be unkind. So we don't need people like that here. Here we have another comment that says, I hope Alex O'Connor can become vegan again, which is great. So Alex O'Connor is somebody I did a video about. He used to be vegan and then he decided to stop because he just got lazy, or he forgot that the focus about veganism isn't himself, but it's the animals. So I'm going to give this a heart, and I'm going to give this a thumbs up, and I'm going to leave a comment here. I hope so too. There we go. Here's a comment by somebody who has a green heart and a little leafy plant here, who writes, I went vegan after watching a documentary on the dairy industry after seeing 3 male baby cows, 1 day old, unalived because they don't produce milk. I pretty much went vegan overnight because I didn't want to fund it anymore. So I don't know if you're going to see this, and I don't know how to pronounce your name, but I want to thank you so much for commenting positively here on my video. I really appreciated seeing your story, and I think it really helps other people as well. Let's say something positive so that this person can feel appreciated. Thank you very much for coming to my channel, period. I hope you come again, and write something educational under each video that I post, period. Thanks for being awesome.
Miss Katie's Miss Katie is right. You should go vegan.
Aw, thank you so much for sending that video. I love them. Keep them coming, guys. Someone else here writes, sorry, bit late, but I honestly don't understand why people hate on this YouTuber. Sure, she thinks everyone who hates animals should be sent to the 100th rink of hell to burn and suffer in the most way possible. But if you really hate this YouTuber, why watch her and comment? So my response to her is, it's not about whether people hate animals or not. It's simply about giving them the most basic respect, which is to give them the right to live, which is already their right. I thank you for being here to acknowledge that if people don't want to be here, they don't have to watch my channel. You're absolutely right. I cannot convince somebody to be a kind person if they're cruel. If they don't think that cats have a right to live, and cows have a right to live, and dogs have a right to live, and chickens have a right to live, then I cannot convince them of that fact. By the way, in case you didn't know, this is my Vegan Declaration Day. This is the day I became vegan on June 27th, 2016. I suggest that you make yourself a little card like this and you write Happy Vegan Declaration Day on it. Write your name and write the date that you became vegan, because becoming vegan is one of those things that kind of creeps up on you. Next thing you know, you're vegan and you might forget the date. And this way, if you put this on your fridge, it will remind everyone in your family that you are vegan, and they will help you to stay on the right path. Another thing I want to remind you of is that I have an Instagram account called thatveganteacher, Miss Katie. It's spelt like this. Remember, my name is with a D in it. There are no underscores or any kind of periods or anything. To see videos they won't let us show you on TikTok or here on YouTube, subscribe to Instagram, thatveganteacher, Miss Katie. When you get there, go to stories. Beware of fake accounts pretending to be me. Go to my stories, because I repost videos from undercover footage and things that you will be completely surprised actually happen on the planet. Some very sad. So go ahead and follow me there, and then let me know in the comments that you did. Next comment we see is this one. Do you realize we're omnivores? Well, the person didn't put a capital letter here and no question mark afterwards. Let me first see what somebody replied. Somebody else wrote exactly. So what we're going to do is we are going to remove this comment. And the reason that we're going to remove it is because it has nothing to do with anything. Veganism is a justice movement which states that humans should live without exploiting animals because animals, like children, aren't objects to be bought, sold, commodified, utilized, sexually assaulted, or enslaved in any way. Here's a comment by somebody who writes, "Stop Karens on YouTube." Well, first of all, this is an extremely insulting thing. There are many nice people named Karen. Many of my students are named Karen. So you clearly don't want to be here, Leon. So why are you here exactly? I'm going to remove you. I'm going to put you out of your misery. I'm going to hide you from the channel, which means that you will be able to see your comments in the future, but nobody else will. Goodbye. Here's a comment where somebody told a lie. They actually don't understand that you can be 100% healthy as a vegan. So I don't appreciate anybody who comes to my channel to lie. There are vegan doctors, nurses, lawyers, people of all ages are vegan. If you are here to lie, you will be removed. This person is also going to be removed from the channel. They write, "Why the hell do you care what I put in my body? What I care about is that you don't hurt animals. What I care about is who you are putting in your body. You say that you're a carnivore, but you can absolutely thrive eating plants only. If you are here to be rude and cruel, then I will help you to remove yourself. Nobody will see your comments ever again. Goodbye." Next, somebody writes, "I'm not trying to be rude or anything, but how come most vegans are super skinny and frail? This is what you think. I believe it's from lack of protein, but please educate me if that's not the case." All right, I'll educate you. You don't need to worry. Plants have all the protein you need to be healthy and strong. Vegans come in all types of bodies. They come in all ages and sizes. They can be healthy from the moment they're born until the moment they die. There are fat vegans, there are thin vegans, there are all kinds of vegans in the world. Next time, just go to ChatGPT and ask, "How do vegans get their protein?" Here's somebody writing a kind message. "Happy Vegan Declaration Day," with lots of hearts and lots of smileys. Let's put a heart on that. I think this person is probably a child, but I'm not sure. Oh, and then another one. Yeah, happy Vegan Declaration again. Thank you, Latva. I always like seeing you here. Next, we have a comment that says, "Thank you, TVT," that's me, That Vegan Teacher, "for all your hard work and sacrifice standing up to the evil right-wing establishment that supports the Holocaust factory farming industry." Well, I'm going to press a heart on here and a thumbs up, but I don't think it is just the right-wing evil people. It is everyone involved. We have all been lied to, and people are still going along with the lie by buying these products. Nobody has to do that. Here's a person who will be removed for lying. They write, "I was thinking of becoming vegan and my friend told me to check out your channel, so I watched a few of your videos and now I'm not going to be vegan." So this is clearly a lie because watching my channel has nothing to do with it. You can see all kinds of other channels. If you don't like my channel, there are literally thousands of other teachers who are vegan. Goodbye. Here's somebody's trying to be kind who wrote, "Like, subscribe, comment, and share." Thank you. Here's somebody asked me if I remember Ben of the Week. And yes, I do. And my response, which I made before, is that, yeah, he's vegan now, which is awesome. So thanks again, everybody, for responding to my videos. I really appreciate and love seeing your comments. But if you're going to be here to be mean, well, just don't bother. Everybody else, make sure you have subscribed to this account, and I will see you all in the next video. Some things are coming up on screen right now. Have a look at them. There are over 3,000 videos to choose from. Thanks so much. Bye for now. Let's follow that vegan teacher on YouTube right now. Let's help her